Struggling with stubbornly laced hair systems? Then lace release is a perfect solution for you. This video will show you step by step on how to use lace release. Start by spraying lace release at the edges and on top of the hair system, wherever the adhesive sits, typically starting at the front hairline and then working your way back. Saturate the adhesive for a more effective and easy removal. Keep a paper towel close to avoid any solution getting into the eye or dripping anywhere onto the skin. Give it a few minutes or just wait until you feel the bond loosening. If stubborn spots persist, spray more release as needed. Once the adhesive is manageable and loose, it is time to slowly remove the hair system. Do this as gently as possible to avoid any unnecessary damage. For leftover adhesive residue on the scalp, use a solvent such as KP Pro Solvent. Now you can clean and prep your hair system for another attachment.